Donuts? Bad kids. Hold on, let's put on Sport Plus. I said I was gonna do it till like next Monday. It's Tuesday. It's not Monday, it's Tuesday. We could do a pool. Man, I can't wait for intakes. Gonna make this car sound a whole lot better. Y'all not ready for that. Y'all not ready for that. Not gonna lie, I feel like after this though, I'm gonna get like a B58. BMW, I don't know. Is bro naked? Y'all saw that? I think bro was naked in the park. Tight. Okay. Oh, it's green, let's go. Oh, we're coming in hot. We're coming in hot, we're coming in hot. Give y'all a little POV drive. That's all this video is, just a POV drive. If y'all do like the video, like, subscribe. I do post POV. I do post me doing POV drives on my Q50 Red Sport. So if y'all do like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll continue posting. Damn, that sun is bright, dude. Ain't I wearing glasses? Yeah, man. Yeah, I feel like, damn. Every time it's cause it's always around this time, 5. It's like sunset time. The sun's getting ready to go down. It's like blaring in my face. We on time though. We're not late to school today. Not a day. I got a French bulldog, and right now she's currently going under surgery for like getting neutered. And they called us and it didn't go well. They said that, I don't know, man. They just said she started bleeding a lot. Ah, my goodness, man. But everything's getting like situated right now. But don't ever cheap out, especially on your pets, man. If your pet gotta go to the vet, like, I'm just, putting this on a broad spectrum. Like, if your pet needs any type of care, man, don't neglect it. I mean, my whole life I had lizards, so it wasn't really not stressful like that. Like dogs, you gotta do some, like, dogs are, yeah, they do too. They take a lot of maintenance. Or in my opinion, I think they do. Dogs are not easy pets. I mean, you want an easy pet, get a goldfish. But those are boring to look at. Having a dog is like literally like having a kid. You gotta look after them. Yeah, no, my whole life I've had lizards, bearded dragons, leopard geckos. I'm trying to get another lizard, to be honest. I'm trying to get a gargoyle gecko. Dang, that thing's clean. Psych, never mind. Actually, no, that's cool. It had this ugly green. I mean, that like yellow. I don't know what you call that part. That trim in front of the car was yellow. Damn, look good. But I'm gonna zip it. Next to the video's gonna be quiet. Let y'all just quiet POV. I'm gonna probably start posting more videos like that, just quiet POVs. I don't know. I think people like those more. Y'all let me know. I don't know, like, when people watch POVs, do they want someone who's talking, interactive, or they want just straight, like, quiet? I feel like with straight quiet, you need to have some type of exhaust sound, though. I don't know, though. I guess people have to see. Anytime I get comments, though, like, they're always negative. Never positive comments. Like I tell y'all, I tell people to, like, you know, comment, you know, on my videos. The time I do get a comment, they're clowning on me. Like, bro, what's going on? What did I do? What did I do wrong? Damn, this person going slow. Rhino. Dang, you see, look, I try to stay quiet. I can't stay quiet. I'm just always yapping. Please don't turn red. Please don't turn red. Go, 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 go. I got a boy in school. I got a friend in school. He's getting a 440. Well, he got a 440, so we're gonna see that today. But I'm gonna see that. I'm kind of excited to see that. My cousin talking about getting a 340. Bro, everybody's getting B58. Everybody want a BMW. No Infinitis? Come on. Come on, man. We need some Infiniti. Not gonna lie, I'm probably stop by Chick-fil-A and give me a frosted lemonade. That's probably the move right now before I go to school. But if y'all haven't tried it, y'all sleeping on those frosted lemonades. They go crazy. I already ate, so I'm chilling. But you cannot cut up in this car. It has like a sensor where if you get too close to the vehicle, it'll like literally stop my pedal. Like it would not let me accelerate. Like this car will literally kill you if you try to cut up. But there's been times where I try cutting up and like it'll cut off my pedal and I can't press no more gas. I'm like literally white lining. I'm like stuck between the two cars until I like force myself to, like, you know, complete the little cut. Then I can go, bro. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't know, there has to be some type of fuse or set it and turn it off. There must be. No traffic, man. They switched these whole roads up. Now it's so weird, like. Getting my aluminum oil pan on. So I'm ready to lower it. I didn't want to lower it because I have these Q50s got a plastic oil pan. I didn't want to lower it because of that. But we're getting an aluminum oil pan. It came in today. I got it. It look nice. Damn, look at this guy. What is this dude doing? Damn, bro. I'm gonna leave that in the video, man. That's crazy. Yeah. Bro, y'all see, like, y'all people want to say I be driving stupid, like, bro. Look at this other dude about to throw himself. People want to say us youngins be driving reckless. Nah, like, you got old. Like, she's not even old. What she doing that? She was like literally in the middle of the road. Bro, I tell you, a grandma, she driving, that's dangerous. That's dangerous. Oh, we got it. Frosted lemonade. Oh my goodness. So good. I'm gonna end the video right here. I'm about to get to school. Bro, is that a yours? White yours? Clean, dude. Holy. Why is this boy driving my car? I told him to park it up already. Anywho. But yeah, I'm gonna leave y'all here. I'm about to get to school. Like, subscribe, it means a lot to me. I'm gonna keep posting these POV drives. If y'all don't, you know, let me know if y'all want me to switch it up. I will switch it up, but as of right now, we're gonna continue doing these POV drives. I mean, and I like doing them. It's fun for me. I enjoy doing them. So, yep. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Hold on, I gotta get this thing.